Maiden flight of the autonomous flying wing technology Demonstrator was carried out successfully by Defence Research and Development Organisation from the Aeronautical Test Range Chitradurga, Karnataka on July 1, 2022. Operating in a fully autonomous mode, the aircraft exhibited a perfect flight including takeoff, waypoint navigation and a smooth touchdown. This flight marks a major milestone in terms of proving critical technologies towards the development of future unmanned aircraft and a significant step towards self-reliance in such strategic defense technologies. The unmanned aerial vehicle is designed and developed by Aeronautical Development Establishment, Bengaluru, a premier research laboratory of DRDO.